Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital journeys smoother. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer XDC from your Arculus wallet to a Trezor wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it securely and efficiently. Whether you're diversifying your holdings or just switching for better security, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready. Update your Arculus wallet app to the latest 2025 version. It's crucial for compatibility and new features. Open the Arculus app on your device and navigate to your XDC holdings. You'll see a dashboard showing your balance. Select XDC to proceed. Next, head over to your Trezor wallet. This hardware wallet is a beast for security, so plug it in and access it via the Trezor Suite software. Once you're in, go to the Receive section to generate a new address for XDC. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back in Arculus, hit the Send or Transfer button for XDC. Paste the Trezor address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, network fees for XDC might be lower due to upgrades, but always confirm to keep costs down. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything. This includes the amount, address, and any additional notes. Once you're good, hit send and wait for the confirmation on the blockchain. It usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Trezor wallet to see when the XDC arrives. A quick word on security: always use a secure connection, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, 2025 brings enhanced features like biometric verification in wallets. Use them. And there you have it. Your XDC is now safely in your Trezor wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video.